All right, Lieutenant Riley with the Houston Police Department. We're out in the 400 block of West Parker investigating a shooting. The incident occurred around 3:20 this morning. What we do know about the incident is we had several hundred people here at what appears to be an unlicensed nightclub. Security guard was handling a shotgun and it accidentally went off. Those ricochets from the bird shot inadvertently struck one patron, an adult female, in the forehead and another adult female in the abdomen and the shoulder. HFD was called to the location, treated those people on scene, and they were not transported. That security guard fled the scene prior to police arrival. Our units are currently conducting an investigation and plan to pass this off for further investigation by detectives. Do you guys have any questions?
So he was not using it to secure the area. He was just holding it.
Yes, to our knowledge, there was no incident that it required him to use his firearm. He was handling it, and the shotgun went off negligently.
One question. I'm hearing there were potentially as many as 1,000 people between inside and outside of this building for this event. Does that sound about right?
So we were told several hundred people. Yes, inside and outside waiting to get in. All right, thank you for your time.